Bonjour and welcome. Have you ever wanted to speak French naturally without sounding like you're reading from an old textbook? In today's lesson, you'll learn practical French that people actually use in everyday conversations. We'll cover greetings, introductions, numbers, dates, and telling the time. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to introduce yourself, understand basic numbers, and talk about dates and time with confidence. Let's begin. Part 1. Greetings and introductions. Saying hello. In French, the way you greet someone depends on the situation. The most important greeting is bonjour. Pronunciation? Bonjour. Bonjour means hello or good day. Use it when speaking with strangers, shopkeepers, teachers, or anyone you want to address politely. Let's repeat together. Bonjour. One more time. Bonjour. For friends, family members, and people you know well, French speakers often use salut. Pronunciation? Salut. Salut means hi. Repeat after me. Salut. Excellent. Introducing yourself. Now, let's learn how to say your name. The most common expression is je m'appelle. Pronunciation? Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle means my name is. For example, je m'appelle Maria, meaning my name is Maria. Repeat after me. Je m'appelle Maria. In casual conversations, French speakers often use a more relaxed expression. Moi, c'est Alex. Pronunciation? Moi, c'est Alex. This is similar to saying, I'm Alex. Let's practice. Moi, c'est Alex. Asking how someone is. A very common question in French is, ça va? Pronunciation? Ça va? It means, how are you? Or, how's it going? Repeat after me. Ça va? To answer, you can say, ça va, et toi? Pronunciation? Ça va, et toi? Meaning, I'm good. And you? Let's repeat. Ça va, et toi? Excellent. Quick practice. Imagine you are entering a small shop in Paris. You could say, Bonjour. Je m'appelle Alex. Ça va? Simple, polite, and natural. Part 2. Numbers. Numbers are everywhere. You need them for prices, phone numbers, hotel reservations, and addresses. Let's start with numbers from 0 to 10. Repeat each number after me. 0. Zéro. Pronunciation? Zéro. 1. Un. Pronunciation? Un. 2. Deux. Pronunciation? Deux. 3. Trois. Pronunciation. Trois. 4. Quatre. Pronunciation. Quatre. 6. Six. Pronunciation. Seize. 7. Sept. Pronunciation. Sept. 8. Wheat. Pronunciation. Wheat. 9. Neuf. Pronunciation. Neuf. 10. Dix. Pronunciation. Dix. Let's learn how to ask for the time. The question is, Il est quelle heure? Pronunciation. Il est quelle heure? Meaning, what time is it? Repeat after me. Il est quelle heure? To answer, start with il est, meaning it is. For example, il est 2 heures. It is 2 o'clock. Repeat. Il est 2 heures. Another example. Il est 5 heures. It is 5 o'clock. Repeat. Il est 5 heures. Useful tip. In France, people often use the 24-hour clock. Instead of saying 4 p.m., they often say 16 heures, which means 16 o'clock. You will see this on train schedules, movie times, and appointments. Part 4. Days and Dates. Now, let's learn a few useful days of the week. Monday. Lundi. Pronunciation. Lundi. Repeat. Lundi. Tuesday. Mardi. Pronunciation. Mardi. Repeat. Mardi. Wednesday. Mercredi. Pronunciation. Mercredi. Repeat. Mercredi. Thursday. Jeudi. Pronunciation. Jeudi. Repeat. Jeudi. Friday. Vendredi. Pronunciation. Vendredi. Repeat. Vendredi. Saturday. Samedi. Pronunciation. Samedi. Repeat. Samedi. Sunday. Dimanche. Pronunciation. Dimanche. Repeat. Dimanche. To say today's date in French, we use a simple structure. Day plus number plus month. For example, aujourd'hui, c'est lundi 5 octobre. Meaning, today is Monday, October 5th. Repeat after me. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi 5 octobre. Excellent. Let's put everything together. Imagine you arrive at a hotel in France. Receptionist. Bonjour. Traveler. Bonjour. Je m'appelle Alex. Receptionist. Votre chambre est prête à 14 heures. Meaning, your room is ready at 2 p.m. Traveler. Merci beaucoup. Quelle heure est-il maintenant? Meaning, what time is it now? Receptionist. Il est 13 heures. Meaning, it is 1 p.m. Traveler. Parfait. Merci. This short conversation uses greetings, introductions, numbers, and time all together. Great work today. You learned how to greet people, introduce yourself, use basic numbers, ask for the time, and understand simple dates in French. For practice, try writing today's date and current time in French. You can also introduce yourself using Je m'appelle or Moi, c'est. The more you practice, the more natural French will become. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to Learn French with Votre Pro for more practical French lessons. Merci beaucoup for watching. À bientôt, and see you in the next lesson.